What's going on, guys? Welcome back to JTA Media. It's been a long time, but today I'm going to install black, I guess we would call it vinyl wrap, on my steering wheel emblem. I also got one for the front, but I'm just going to do the black one for today. It's a little easy install, and plus I'm picking up my kid today. Quick and easy. I'm going to do it while I'm waiting for him. Let's do it. All right, so when you peel it back, make sure it stays on the clear piece. God, this is hard to do with one hand. Pull it back on one hand. Then you gotta line it up. Let me do this real quick and I'll get back to you. So I put it on. I'm gonna start off by rubbing the middle, the H. Not sure how to do this. Just rub it on. Oh, it didn't stick. That's just a bitch. Did I do it the right way? Pretty sure I did it the right way. There you go. Work your way around, be careful. Rub it on. Black is so much better than silver. Oops. Damn in the beat. All the kids know I'm here now. And if I do mess up, there is another one they give me, so I'll try again. Should do this at home because it keeps beeping. So this is after. The only thing that messed up really is down here. It didn't mess up, but there's like over. So what I'm gonna have to do is get like a razor pen, and get the excess material off of it. But it looks good. Only you would know that it's like that. But yeah, thanks for watching my video. Something small and easy to do. I'm gonna do the front emblem next. Hopefully that's a little easier, but I'm waiting for it to get warm out to do it. But yeah, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, turn your notification bell on. I got some fire dropping next. Peace out.